they designed theirs to put the two together on the corner like that, and they'll put the foam there. Then the next course will come, right? And you don't have to stagger. You know how if you're laying block, you stagger the bond. It has no effect on this. You can just straight stack it. You can stagger it if you want to, but as long as these holes line up, that's all that matters. You got to make sure the cores line up, right? So you would take the block, line it up like that. What I would do on a job right there, I'm ready to lay this now at that point. I just tip it over a bit, take our foam, like a foam mortar, set that down, pull that side, set that down. In 5 minutes, you won't be able to get those two apart. So you're not waiting for mortar to cure, but I'm also not laying mortar. So, okay, so I did this on this corner. I'm building my lead here. Let's say that's glued. I come over here. If I'm actually the guy with the level, if I'm the guy who's sort of running the job, the other laborers, these could be just regular labor, he's going to come and bring this block over. Instead of stacking it behind me so I can lay it like a bricklayer would, he's going to come and put it right here. Say thank you very much. Then you're going to move. I'm going to do the adjustment. Line it up. Okay. I pick this up, take my gun, put foam. So that is 16 square feet of wall that I just did in how many seconds? Was that a minute, maybe?
A little more.
So in real
Because you were
life,
talking.
In real life, that might be 2 minutes. But 16 square feet of wall in 2 minutes? If I'm laying block, I'm still putting the mortar joints here. I haven't laid a block yet. So you just start to get so far ahead of what it takes to do a regular block wall that the timelines just collapse. It's
what now that we are looking at